2025 Nissan Murano cabin air filter service. Cabin filter is located behind your glove box door, so we're going to need to lower it. First step, disconnect this damper we have right here. Okay, all we do is pull on it, disconnect it. Stoppers here. Push the glove box inward, pull down on the glove box. Pull some pressure on it. You're going to do both sides like this until you lower the glove box down. I only have one hand free, so I have to go back and forth, but with two hands it's a lot easier. And you can lower it. I'm going to take this door off here, pressing this tab in, and then pulling the door towards you. Alright. Here's our cabin filter. Notice here that it has an airflow direction on it. Okay, it's going to be down. When you get your new filter, make sure the arrows are facing down as far as airflow. This one's pretty good, so we're not going to replace it today. I'm not going to recommend it to my customer. If you need one, check the description box. I'll have an Amazon link. You can get one for your new Murano. Left side goes in first, and we just clip it in like that. Glove box door, we just close it. Super easy. This just pops back on. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. Hit the like button for me, leave me a comment if you could, and if you want to see more Nissan content, please hit subscribe.